Hello everyone, quick update from ashes.co.za is the website, and this channel is my personal YouTube channel, but my website's from ashes.co.za. That is where I blog and chat about my experience with becoming a programmer or learning to program. So I got my results back. I passed Python, Information Systems, Introduction to Visual Programming 1 with 87%. Unfortunately, I did not make the C++ exam. I just did not make it, but I managed to coin myself a rewrite, which is a lot cheaper to do than just re-registering that module. Unfortunately, I didn't make it. I'm kicking myself because I could have put a bit more work into it. And when I worked through the previous exam papers that UNISA supplied us with on the portal, I thought, oh, okay, this is not bad. I actually did quite well. I managed to rate myself, score myself on those papers. The paper we wrote this past semester was horrific. I remember walking out of there going, what the fuck happened? But yeah, I've got a rewrite. I tried to register with UNISA again this week, and unfortunately I can't register for the subjects I wanted to, so I took a day's leave yesterday, drove to Pretoria, and managed to find out that because I'm doing the bridging course, I need to do my maths module. I think it's Math 0105 or 0150. Problem is that is a year subject, and I can only rewrite the C++ this semester, which is nice because I can focus everything on there. But then the whole of next year is one module of just math, and it's a year module. It's a lot of work. Just feels like I'm wasting a year and a half of other modules or subjects I could have done together with the C++ and the math module. But it's the way it is, so we'll hang in there. I'm going to push to pass the C++. It's Introduction to Programming 1. Then next year's just math. Then I'm also doing the 100 Days of Code. I haven't specifically chosen a language or a framework. I just want to get into coding every day, so that's my challenge, is to code something, be it C++, be it web stuff, be it Python, be it GDScript with Go.Engine. I just want to code and get in the habit of coding every day. So as I'm going to do with my cycling and learning Linux, I'm dedicating an hour a day on those disciplines minimum. So it's a lot of work. I think the C++ stuff, when I start studying, will start taking over that 100 Days of Code stuff. But I managed to connect to my NVR, which is my CCTV's NVR. I'm not sure what NVR means. Network Video Recorder, I think. Because it's only Windows only, and I can only use it with IE or some application that goes through the cloud. I did not like that, so I managed to connect to the NVR on my Linux machine using Python. So that's the first project I started. Now I just need to figure out how to make a GUI, show all the channels in a grid. And then the second one was for work, where we worked with Java developers to connect to Exchange AWS, so Exchange Web Services, and had some fun figuring out and helping them connecting and opening the mailbox and doing stuff from Java. So I thought, I want to test this from Python. So I managed to connect. I built an Exchange lab yesterday. Managed to connect to AWS. Unfortunately, because I don't have a proper certificate, I'm getting errors currently. But I'm working around that. I saw there's something in that library that you can say ignore, bypass or something. To not use a certificate if the certificate, don't do the certificate check or something like that. So I'll probably be playing with that tonight. But yeah, that's just an update. So UNISA, I'm coming for you. C++ this semester, I'm writing in November. I'll be vlogging a bit more on that. And then also there's 100 Days of Code. You can follow me on Twitter. It's at Teens Fund Sale. and you will see my little tweets every day about the 100 days of code, and you can also check the blog or the website from ashes.co.za if you want to follow there. I'm not going to be spamming that website so much with 100 days of code stuff, but there will be some stuff in there if I figure out some cool stuff or make a good breakthrough or something worth writing an article for. Otherwise it'll be on Twitter, just what I did for the day. And if you're doing the 100 days of code, let me know. Comment in this video, and then I'll check out and follow you to see how you're doing with your 100 days of code. Coolio, that's me for now, and have a good one. It's winter here. Stay warm if you're in winter. If you're having summer, you are a bastard, and we're heading into summer soon, and I'll be laughing at you in a few months. Thanks, bye bye.